Hello, welcome everybody to channel Sube. Today I am going to discuss question number 23 of 2019 Physics MCQ new syllabus paper. The gap of 2 cm between two horizontal plates of surface area 500 square centimeter is filled with an oil having the coefficient of viscosity 0.2 nsm-2. A horizontal force of 5 Newton is applied to the upper plate while keeping the lower plate at rest. What is the velocity of the middle layer of the oil if the velocities of the oil layers vary linearly across the gap between the plates? So there are 5 answers given. Let's draw a little diagram. So this one is the upper plate, this one is the lower plate. So there is a liquid in between these two plates according to the question, whose coefficient of viscosity is 0.2, that is we denote by eta. The surface area capital A equals to 500 square centimeter, so I convert it to square meter by multiplying 10 minus 4 square meter, because square meter contains 100 centimeters to this way, 10 power 2, then 100 centimeter to this way, 10 power 2. So 10 power 2, 10 power 2, 10 power 4, like that. You know how to convert square centimeters to square meter. Then they have given the gap of 2 centimeter. This gap is, we denote it by D, that is 2 centimeter. I convert that also to meter by multiplying 10 minus 2. Then the force is given to the upper plate is 5, F equals 5 Newton. Then what they ask is the velocity of the middle layer. So do you remember the equation for these types of flow? That is F equals eta A V1 minus V2 divided by D. So the V1 here is the velocity of the layer that is in contact with this upper what we called upper plate. In contact with the upper plate there is a layer that is moving with a velocity v1. So the layer in contact with this lower, which is at rest, this one is at rest, therefore the velocity of that layer is 0, that is v2, 0. So there are layers of this liquid like this, changing velocity linearly. Linearly means we can draw a straight line to these vectors like this. That is the relationship, that is the shape. So the velocity is changing like this. So the velocity at the bottom layer is 0. So this one we can't draw an arrow, that is 0. This one is 0. So what we have to find is this middle point, the velocity of this middle layer. So before that we can substitute 5 Newton, 0.02 the coefficient of viscosity, and area 500 times 10 power minus 4. Then V1 that we don't know, this velocity. V2 is 0. Always the layers in contact with any object which is at rest is 0. Therefore this V2 is 0. So divide by d is distance 2 times 10 minus power minus 2. So we have to simplify this. Cancel minus 2 cancel plus 2. Then what we need is V1 5.2 times 5. No, let's cancel this, 10 times here. Then 5 divided by 10 V1, only V1 is here, 0 we don't have to write. Then V1 equals this 5 cancel, 10 meter per second. So what they want is the center value, this one, let's denote it by V dash. So V dash equal the mean value V1 plus V2 divided by 2. So V1 we found this one as 10, then V2 the bottom one 0, then the mean value is the velocity of middle layer, so we get 5 m s minus. So second one is the answer. So thank you very much children for watching my videos. Are you happy? If you are happy, please subscribe my channel, and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.